Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cold Email Teardown, where we analyze your cold emails to grow your business. In today's episode, we're going to break down a cold email sent by a marketing agency that will help you generate more clients. Let's check it out together. So the goal of today's email was to get the prospect to check out a landing page. The target audience was B2B marketers in tech companies. Let's analyze this cold email in detail. Hi Brittany, we offer the easiest way to influence decision makers and sell your brand on B2B social media. A creative team turns your best blogs and white papers into videos and carousels. You can build a brief in seconds, and approving, downloading the content is quick and simple. Would you like to see some examples? Many thanks, Amir. P.S. Did you know that posting blog links to LinkedIn throttles reach? Turning your written content into engaging visuals will grow your reach and over time your audience. Let's analyze this cold email in detail. Hi Brittany, we offer the easiest way to influence decision makers and sell your brand on B2B social media. A creative team turns your best blogs and white papers into videos and carousels. You can build a brief in seconds, and approving, downloading the content is quick and simple. Okay, so you only talked about yourself in the body of the email, which is irrelevant for your prospect. You don't even talk about them or what's in it for them. It doesn't feel targeted to your prospect, but feels more like a general way to explain what you do. So instead, I would start the email with an icebreaker where I'd give the context of where you're reaching out. For example, you can compliment one of their articles as your pitch is about turning their best blogs into visuals. Would you like to see some examples? You said your goal was to get them to check out a landing page. You haven't put a link, so I guess you're waiting for them to reply that they'd like to check some examples. Personally, I would put directly the link to it in your CTA. You can be more specific about the examples, pick some examples that are the most relevant for the prospect. You can add social proof, show how you helped a similar client grow their reach and audience thanks to your services, and since we're talking about reach, it would be nice to mention some stats. This will add credibility to your pitch and increase your chances of your prospect clicking on the link and replying. You can even go further to provide value and turn one of their blog posts into visual so they can really see what it would look like. If you choose to do this, I'd ask for a call to show them directly. This shows you went the extra mile and you provided even more value to them. Many thanks, Amir. P.S. Did you know that posting blog links to LinkedIn throttles reach? Turning your written content into engaging visuals will grow your reach and over time your audience. You literally waited for the end of your email to mention something relevant for the prospect. Why? The first part highlights a pain point, but try to make it sound less salesy. For example, you can share your experience of sharing blog links on LinkedIn and how it's bad to do that. That way you show it's bad, but at the same time it doesn't sound too negative for them as you're sharing your own experience. Then I would rephrase the second part to make it sound more like I'm giving them the solution to the problem. Okay, so now I'm going to take around 10-15 minutes to rewrite the email.
A few moments later.
So here's the new version of the email. Hi Brittany, I just read the article you shared on LinkedIn about topic. I really enjoyed it, especially the part about add specifics. Not sure if you experienced this as well, but our posts used to get X times less reach when our team was posting blog posts rather than native content on LinkedIn. We have a way to help you grow your reach and over time your audience by turning your written content into engaging visuals. Our creative team can turn your best blogs and white papers into videos and carousels that will drive more engagement. In the past, we helped similar companies grow their reach from Y to Z with these visuals you can check here. Would you be up for an X-minute call where we can show you what it would look like for one of your posts and how it could generate X times your current reach? Many thanks, Amir. So it works because you're giving the context of where you're reaching out and you're making a genuine compliment at the same time, which piques your prospect's curiosity. You mention a pain point, you share a relatable story that also highlights why this is bad for them, you immediately provide a solution to the problem, shows you're really trying to help them, you then align the solution to your service, you add social proof, your CTA is clear and brings even more value. If you want your cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts too, it's simple. Join our Facebook community, the link is in the description, then leave a comment below.